Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer and our Colorado Cargo Trailers. We specialize in off-road trailers and multi-use units here to give you guys that great all-around setup with a lot of use. Most of our units have insulation, windows, power, AC batteries, so we can go through all that with you guys. This one is one of our 8.5 by 20 Colorado Cargo Trailers. You can view all of our inventory online at getmytrailer.com. Always email us at sales@getmytrailer.com, and we also ship. So if you're not here, no worries. We can ship the trailer right to you. Again, this is one of our 8.5 by 20s in a white Blackout. This is a full car hauler set up for vehicles if needed, as it is the dragster package. You do have the nice big diamond plate rock art on a lot of the bottom, wrapped corners as well, so you've got some great rock protection there. And then you guys can see you've got a nice big long tongue on this. We run an extended triple tube tongue. That's to allow for a better turning radius. This is a great trailer if you want to tow this behind a Class A or an RV. A lot of people think V-noses are the way to go, but behind campers, absolutely not. Go with your flat front and an extended tongue. You're going to have a lot better time towing this thing around. 15641 is the stock number on this guy. This does have power on it, so you do have a twist lock plug right there, so you guys can connect into 110 power through either a generator or a campground. We'll talk about that more in a second. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar on it, so you've got double lock protection there. Party lights off the side, exterior GFI outlet, which is that little guy right there, and then two 5,200-pound torsion spread axles with brakes. So this gives you guys an optimal setup for highway travel. This torsion axle package gives you an independent suspension, so it's going to ride better and tow better with torsion axles. And then when you spread them apart, it cuts down on wagging and swaying that can occur. So again, optimal setup right there. And then you do have drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back for that extra stability when you guys want to drop from your truck and get in and out and not have to worry about this thing rocking and rolling on you. So you do have two load lights off the back as well, so you guys can see some great exterior lights so you can see what you're doing. Nice big ramp door with a ramp extension, and you also have a dovetail in the back. That just means the back of this floor drops down about 3 inches, and that's to allow for a nice easy angle and brake when you're trying to pull cars in and out of here, especially lower profile vehicles. It allows you to make that happen a lot easier. 7-foot interior height. You're going to have about 6'9" at the rear ramp door, so great setup again for taller UTVs and ATVs out there. And then you also have an awning door off the side, or an escape door that folds up like an awning. I left this one down so you guys can see we also do windows in it, so you've got two nice windows across from each other on the interior, or you can fold that awning up and have a nice big opening, jump out from the UTV or the car right there, or just have some more additional ventilation in the trailer. This is insulated, so you've got insulated walls and ceiling in here. Beautiful white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. I love this. It's easy to take care of and keep clean. You guys can just wipe it right down. Super simple and easy. Performance Nudo floor with Dry Maxx. It's one of the most durable floors we can find in the industry, which is why we use it. And underneath this has a product called Dry Maxx. It has a water resistant product to it, which is on the underneath side of the trailer, so it's going to hold up a lot longer than your standard wood floor will. And then we do have a Maxx Air roof vent here in the back for some additional ventilation. And then of course you've got the two windows. These are 18 by 44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted. You guys can lock them, get a lot of versatility out of that. 6 puck lights in here as well. That's these little guys that you see on each side. Now these puck lights, as well as your party lights and your load lights off the back, are all going to run right here with this battery and your battery box, and then you've got a charger as well. So normally you need to be plugged into a vehicle to have light, or be plugged into some kind of power source. And that takes care of that little problem for you guys, so you can have light on the inside and outside of the trailer and not have to be plugged into anything. Now we also have 30 amp service like we talked about. So here's your breaker box. You've got that nice clean twist lock plug on the front of the trailer. Plug right into a generator. You can plug into an extension cord, campground, whatever. That's going to bring 110 power in and bring power into your outlets. You do have 4 interior outlets, plus you've got the 1 exterior outlet outside. And then that's also going to run your 4-foot LED lights. This trailer's got a bonus because there's 4 of these guys in here, nice and recessed up in the corner coves right there on both sides. So light will not be an issue inside this trailer with these 4-foot LEDs. You guys will have a ton of light in case you need to pull a car in here or something and work on it. And then you also have an interior step coming off the side door. Back side of the RV lock right there is that lock-a-latch set of keys. Here's your light switches. So you've got control of all of your lights inside and out. 3-year factory warranty with this unit. This trailer does weigh 4,000 pounds, and it's going to give you a 6,000 pound payload capacity. Again, set up for vehicles if needed and ready to go. So give us a call, 303-688-8485. But best place to reach us in our awesome COVID world that we live in right now is email sales@getmytrailer.com. You guys can view any of our inventory, purchase our trailers online. We make it super easy with our Buy It Now feature. We've got no contact trailer shopping here. We can do everything electronically and we can ship it to your door. So give us a call. Again, 303-688-8485. Shoot us an email, sales@getmytrailer.com, or just go online to getmytrailer.com. And be sure to like and subscribe.